Piggy the VHS archives. Oh, it's Tiger. Hold up. Okay. Ew. Why is it speaking in mouth like that? Okay. How will we tell the others what happened? Is that Willow? Over there? Yep. I don't know. Don't ask me. It was your fault. What happened? What'd she do? Wasn't Tigray the faux voice? Yeah, though, anyway. Oh, wow, speaking of him. Wait, Tigray? We should get out of here immediately. Is he, like, gonna turn into that thing that we saw? What do you mean? We're getting in there. I'm not. If he said let's get out, and he looks like that. Are you crazy? There's a monster thing in there. How did they do that? Then we'll break in there and stop that infected. But what if it's not? I've never seen an infected do that much damage. Like, once they hit you, that's all they do. They don't do anything else. And dude's not even infected yet, so. Oh, I need some light. Oh my gosh, Tyke scared me. I need some light, bro. Oh. Let me get it. Oh, okay. Wait, it's not even. Oh, whatever. Can I see it? Wait. Okay, it's working. Wait, no, I'm just bring with me, because this could be a different map. Y'all scared me. Well, he is dead. Oh my. He's alive. Who's that? Oh. He's alive. This is... Who? Why? Who? Who made this? You could have killed him, at least. Why? Okay, when does Piggy wake up? Or does it not say? I'm scared to go. I'm scared to go anywhere. Oh gosh, please don't start lagging right now. Okay. Okay, downstairs. This goes downstairs. I don't know if this is a different layout than the actual game, but I'm playing it like it is the actual game. What is this? Is there a book in the actual game? I don't remember seeing one. No, it hits different when you're playing at 3 o'clock in the morning when all the lights off. It's basically 3 o'clock. It's... Wait, isn't this like right outside? Yeah. Yellow key. I'm scared. What is that? Okay, wrong way. Let's go this way then. Because what was that? Is he still there? Wait, did he push? Wow. Doesn't it go in here? Oh. I just jumped so high. Are you kidding me? I just jumped so high. That actually... Oh! That actually scared me. Oh my... So I just died. And Willow did absolutely nothing. She sat there. I swear I died and she stopped walking and just looked at me. Are you kidding me? And I jumped. I just saw him go where I need to go. This is so not funny. Yo, come out! Bro, hurry up before he comes up. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm scared to go anywhere because he is fast. Is this button over here the fast button? Because I didn't touch it because I didn't know what it did. Go, bro! Okay, okay. I can't even crouch. There's no point. This is so... Yeah, so I decided to play another one. I'm gonna go back to that one though, but I'm decided to play another one. Well, here we are. Okay. Knows that. I hope he's around. Also, if the piggy was a freaking question mark. I know I'm not actually gonna be being chased by a question mark. I'm not stupid, but I am. What? Okay, so I decided to just go in order. So, what is the black? Nope. Nope, no. I am terrified now. Starting off with that. I can't go that way. I know that now, so if I'm being chased, I'm not gonna go that way. Where's the piggy? I actually don't want to know that. Okay. Green. Let's do green. If I was playing that tigery one turned up all the way, I probably would have screamed because that scared me to death. Where does the wrench usually go? It's been a long time. I think a year ago. Is that a tooth? Why is this just there? Okay, I'm gonna leave that there until I know I'm gonna put it where the wrench is. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. I hear him, but I can't see him. I don't see him, but I hear him. Is it just one? I don't know, but let me see. I'm gonna try see if it's just one. Because if I go over here, let me check over here. Okay, so there's two. Okay. There. Give it to me. Why'd I just stop to look right there? Okay, now I gotta go get the other one. Are there more bots like the other one I played? Because the other one I played made me jump high. Where is the piggy at? I'm actually gonna see it now. Also, if the thing goes out, it's because, storage, you know? So, I know whenever I make a video and it posts... He's moving! Oh my... Hey, yeah. Are you... yeah, this one's gonna be annoying too. I just saw something on my screen talking about some "Will you find us?" That was terrifying. Will you find us? What? It was a face. What kind of face was that? Okay. So are our friends dead? Okay, let's go. I jumped really high. There's nothing. Wait. Let me check this side over here. Let me go check this side over here. Seems like he put a lock. These things are pretty smart. Oh, these things are pretty probably be infected. I don't know what. I don't know. I don't think we have these kind of key on the Madura. I'll ask Budgie. Alright, let's go ask him. If I told you the amount of times I walked past Budgie without seeing him, just seeing this yellow thing, you would think I'm stupid. Oh my gosh. Is something wrong, Ken? I mean, Archie. I'm not Kenneth, man. I see. I got this pit. You have to look for the knife. A knife? A knife? Are you kidding me, man? A knife? Where could a knife be? Forget it. Let's just use this on the door and I'll be right back. Alright, time to look for the knife. I don't... Oh. I jumped so high. Yo, my heart is racing. I jumped so high just now, bro. Like, I almost peed. That scared me so much. Knife. I'm using the knife. Oh gosh, that scared me too. Oh, good freak, bro. Okay.